Hey guys, it's me more, and today we will be unboxing 2 more fidget spinners. So we got a purple glow in the dark one and a light up one. So first, I'm interested about the light one, so I'll open it up. Look at that. So it's made out of hard plastic. Yo, look at that. That looks cool. Put that on the side. So now we got the glow in the dark fidget spinner. Yes. I'm liking this one. This is metal. Let's compare it to my green glow in the dark fidget spinner. They both look pretty cool. That looks really cool actually. My cheek, like right there. That looks really cool. And yes, tomorrow I'll probably be doing the ice bucket challenge. Tomorrow, if I can't, then I'll probably do on Saturday or Sunday or next Monday or next Friday, probably. See you. Got this fidget spinner and that. I'm really liking this one a lot. And how does it turn red? Like, if there's not like no red. Oh, look, that makes red. This is pretty cool. I'm liking that. I like to keep my fidget spinners safe inside their box. That's one thing I like to do with fidget spinners. But I really like these ones, like so similar. But this one purple, and later I will be getting the blue glow in the dark fidget spinner, blue glow in the dark. So stay tuned to my channel if you want to see the blue glow in the dark fidget spinners. And I will be unboxing way more fidget spinners, like way more. So stay tuned to my channel and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to get notified every single time I make a YouTube video. And remember, 20 subscribers in 3 months. We're at 18 subscribers, only 2 more. Remember the green knife, pool party, ice bucket challenge, but we're already doing that. Another bean. Is I guess another bean boozle challenge, yeah. And the zero degree knife. Also, 20 subscriber a special puppet show. And unboxing a limited edition silver or gold fidget spinner. And later on in this year, I may be doing a fidget spinner giveaway. Or maybe an iPhone giveaway. Fidget spinner iPhone giveaway. Puppets giveaway. So maybe in this year, probably like in Christmas Day. I don't know, but probably this year or next year. This is pretty cool. I'm liking these fidget spinners a lot. But I think that this one is my most favorite of them all. I like the rainbow one. It's so shiny. So I can do this. Damn, I did it the wrong way. Take off the caps. Look at that. It's pretty cool. It does spin very well without the caps. It spins very well. Caps. Put the caps back on. Back to normal. Yeah. This LED one, red one, it's not that similar to this one. Take that out of the box for a second. But this one, it just like lights up by itself. When you spin it, it lights up by itself. And it turns color by itself. But this one, you have to press the button for it to turn on. This one shows more color than that one though. And this one, it's going up and down, but with the only one light on, it looks pretty cool. I'm liking all of these fidget spinners. Hold up. Putting these fidget spinners back in the box. I'll come back when I'm done. What's better not to do Doofy the Dragon's Missing Fidget Spinner Part 3. Here we go. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye. Or maybe at the end. Who cares? Bye. I wonder who else could steal my fidget spinner. I'm getting so angry. Well, maybe I'll actually if you could buy me a new one. Someone stole my old one, so you might give me a new one, I guess. So let's just hope that he will. Okay. But should be sick. He might not get it for me though. Oh, that's one thing. Well, who cares? In the comments. Shut pee pee. Doofy. I feel much better. I'm not sick anymore. Doofy, I'm not sick. That's good. So can you buy me a new fidget spinner? What kind? So on TV, I saw this purple glow in the dark fidget spinner. So I wondered if you could get it for me. Sure. Why not? Since you someone stole your other one, then I feel bad for you. Even though I hate you, I'll go get it. Okay, thank you, Chef Pee Pee. I'll have to wait for him to get my fidget spinner. That's gonna be amazing. 5 hours later. Where's Chef Pee Pee with my fidget spinner? Man, Chef Pee Pee's taking an awful long time just to get my fidget spinner. I mean, that makes no sense at all. He should be here by now. It took him like 5 hours to get here. Okay, Doofy, I got your purple gold dark fidget spinner. Where's it at? It's right there. Get it. Thank you, Chef Pee Pee. I love it. I'm purple. I have purple on me too, so it matches me. Well, you're welcome. I'm gonna go cook. Well, I want to eat some macaroni for dinner. Okay. Ooh, purple gold dark fidget spinner. That's really cool. I'll make sure not to lose this one. Wait a minute. Well, if I put a camera on, if I put a camera next to me while I'm sleeping, and then I might see the guy who took my fidget spinner and go in the dark. Huh. Well, I'm gonna go to bed now. Put a camera there. I couldn't find a regular camera, so I'll have to use my Nintendo DS's camera. Okay, I will set it up right here. And all I have to do is turn off the light and go to bed. Well, good night, fidget spinner. We're gonna see who took you. My fidget spinner's gone. Wait, my camera! Yay! Let's check it. Camera, and let's see. Ha! I'm still Doofy's fidget spinner. What? Chef Pee-Pee stole my fidget spinner. There's no way he stole it. He bought it. What? But he's still annoyed for me. He doesn't feel bad for me. He just wants to steal my fidget spinner because I'm asking him to waste money. I'm gonna talk to him right now. Oh boy, I can't wait to cook Doofy's macaroni. Chef Pee-Pee! What do you want, Doofy? Hold up. You stole my fidget spinner! No, why would you think that? Here, watch this video on my Nintendo DS. Just watch it, okay? Watch. I'm still doing this fidget spinner. See, you stole my fidget spinners! Give it back! Fine, I confess it. I'm tired of you asking me to buy you stuff after it's not important. Ugh. Fine, I'll give your fidget spinners back. Ugh. Gee, stay right there. Ugh. That's what I thought, Chef Pee-Pee. Ugh. 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 Here's your fidget spinners. Doofy, are you happy now? Yes. Now get out of here. I'm mad at you for stealing my fidget spinners. Don't do that again, or else I'll call you on camera again and beat you up. You're so stupid, you even see the camera. Ugh, you're mean. Bye. Shut up. Ow. Bye. Yeah, you know, I got 2 fidget spinners. I got both of my fidget spinners. Unless Chef Pee-Pee steals my fidget spinners ever again, then I'm gonna knock him out. I'm gonna tell my dad, and my dad's gonna beat Chef Pee-Pee. So you better not steal my fidget spinners ever again. And I guess Doofy the Dragon's missing fidget spinner is solved. Chef Pee-Pee stole it. Guys, yeah, time to play with them. Well, I guess it's time to go to bed. Fidget spinners, let's go to bed. Good morning, fidget spinners. Oh my goodness, someone stole my fidget spinners again! Ah! Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Doofy the Dragon actually thought that he got fidget spinners for good, but some person from the Obama Gaming Puppet Show video stole it again. So try to guess in the comments below, and if you guess it right, and comment down below who you think stole the fidget spinner. And if you guess it right, then I'll subscribe to your channel and give that comment a like and pin that comment. Okay? So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and bye. And remember, like this video and comment on YOLO if you want to get a shout out. Okay? So bye. Subscribe in 3 months. 20.